Guys, I wanted to show you this talking alarm clock that I received from the company. This is a great thing to have if you need some like time management, if you maybe are elderly or hearing, need some help with the hearing. It gives you an alarm clock, the time itself, it's just right on the keychain, so you can kind of go everywhere. So I think it's really good, especially if you need to take medication, something along those lines where you just constantly have to be reminded or set a timer without having like a phone or a watch to do it for yourself. It's very easy to use, super lightweight. It's pretty small. You can see like it's about the size of my thumb finger. It is nicely made quality, and the alarm is very easy to use, and then it will just set. Definitely if you're looking for something, like you don't want to deal with the phone, maybe there's an elderly person in your life that needs to take medicine at certain times, I would definitely get this for them.